Here's a right triangle where we know the hypotenuse, which in this case is 25. We know one of the legs, which is 15, but we don't know the measurement of the other leg. We can use the theorem of Pythagoras, c squared equals a squared plus b squared, to find this missing side of this right triangle. Remember, in the theorem of Pythagoras, the c is always associated with the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle. We can associate the letter a and b with either of the legs. It doesn't make a difference. Let's call this leg side A and this one side B. So our formula would look like this. 25 squared equals 15 squared plus b squared. And now we can solve that equation. Take our calculator to help us. 25 times 25 gives us 625. 15 times 15 is 225. So 625 equals 225 plus b squared. Well, if we wanted to solve for b squared, wouldn't it seem logical the next thing we would do would be to subtract 225 from both sides so as to isolate b squared? And when we do that, we would have 400 equals b squared. So we're looking for the number that we can square that makes 400. And remember, that number is the square root of 400. So if you want to find the number to square that makes 400, take the square root of 400 and that will tell you. So if we use our calculator, put in 400 in the display, hit your square root function, and that value is 20. So b is equal to 20. And that's true, isn't it? 20 times 20 would be 400. 20 squared would give us 400. So the length of that missing side was 20 units.